Almost every product that you own today is made from these three distinct materials: wood, plastic, or metal. At Modti, we're going to change that. You see, these are dead materials. And what I mean by that is, these are materials that once you put them into a form, they don't move. They stay that way forever. We've created a material which has life. It can actually change its shape on demand. Right now, we're working with one of Finland's largest automotive manufacturers on two very, very exciting use cases. But let me get into some of the cases which we can use our material with as well. Imagine real 3D TV, where your games and movies actually pop out right in front of you. Or how about prosthetics and robotics, which actually work and feel like real muscles? Or advertising, which actually pops out and grabs your customer's attention. Imagine a gaming suit, which you can actually feel what is happening inside of the game. This is literally a hardware material which will change the shape of industries all around the world. It's highly flexible, extremely thin, and very fast. We're a highly qualified and motivated team. We have patents pending internationally, and we have our prototypes completed. Right now, we're offering the opportunity to move forward with us for $300,000 at a 10% equity. And that's going to allow us to create a higher resolution material as well as move into the market. You see, we believe that the products you own should be customizable, not just in the software and how it looks on your screen, but in the hardware and how it actually feels and moves. We're Modti, MODTI.com. Thank you.
How long have you guys been working on this, and how long do you think you have to commercial readiness for the product?
We've been working on this for, it's about 2 years now. Our first products, like I said, we're working with an automotive manufacturer currently on 2 cases, and we would expect that to be coming out actually within the next year, probably Q3 of next year. But then there's other cases which we're also working into as well.
Do you have any competitors?
From this technology standpoint, there are no competitors in a material which can actually change its shape.
Can you still a bit quantify or qualify the material properties to get it right? So what it's all about?
Could you reword that?
So, I mean, you had some showcases here, and obviously you have some first use cases, but just to really get the understanding, so what is the quality, I mean, what are the parameters you are superior?
Like, you mean like the resolution,
yeah.
Or? Okay, so right now we're down to, you have to imagine the material is sort of like pixels on an LCD screen. So we're controlling each of these pixels, which can change shapes. Currently, we're down to millimeter scale, and we can even get it down to nanoscale with a few different manufacturing methods. So we can get very, very small and very, very precise.
So aside from automotive, do you see other applications as early adopters? In particular, can you imagine B2C applications, consumer applications that you sell directly to people?
Yeah, I mean, we could go into B2C for developers and people who want to do open source, where we're thinking we're going to give an open source hardware or software out for people to develop their own products around. But that kind of works its way into B2B as well, because they'll develop a product and go forward.